Hi everyone, welcome back to Tanya to Guide. So in this video, I'll be explaining you very detailedly about Scratch 2.0. So there will be two versions in Scratch 2.0. One is online and the another one is offline editor. So for the offline editor, I'm just suggesting you because in offline editor, you are having most of the advantages because each and every time you need not to connect it to the internet. So once after the installation, you can directly access the Scratch 2.0 and you can work on your projects. So now, after the installation of the Scratch 2, you will be having openings like this. So now, here by defaultly, you will be having the sprite 1. So now this sprite 1, which is a cat. Now, this is your by defaultly sprite. Now I'm just showing you what are the things which we are going to work on it. Now you can see a green color flag where I have kept my mouse pointer. This green flag which is used to start. Now on the right side of that there is a red color symbol, right? This red color one which is used to stop. So I'm just repeating it once again. The green color which is used to start, red is used to stop. Now so here there are X and Y, right? These are the coordinates of the sprite. See, whenever I am changing this cat, the X and Y positions are changing. This means that X and Y, whether it is moving forward, backward, upward, downward, and all that. So it will be reflecting the values in the X and Y positions. Even if we are moving the mouse pointer also, the values of the X and Y are getting changed. Now you can see an eye symbol when you click on the sprite one. So here it is used to edit the name of the sprite. I'm just renaming that with cat. So here you can see that the X and Y positions of the cat. Okay, what will happen if you change the rotation style also? So if you click on the direction, see, if you just click on changing the direction of this, see the cat is rotating, right? So you can put whatever you want. So this is the direction of this. Now come back to this. Now I wanted to tell you very important thing. This is by defaultly whatever we are having this Scratch 2.0. I hope everyone understood till now. Now the next thing is you can see an option here, new sprite. So click there. So you will be getting different kinds of libraries here where you can get animals, where you can get the fantasy, where you can animate your letters. There are different kinds of letters, symbols of A to Z alphabets, and also people like dancing, swimming, diving. Okay, everything is there here. Now also things like to creating a catch game, to create a Tom and Jerry game, to create a hide and seek game, to create a catching game, everything you can select all these. Okay, for the transportation, if you wanted to create a project regarding aerospace, okay, you can use all these commands. And also there are different themes like princess, unicorn, holiday, flying, dress up, dance, and all that. Okay, so this is all about that. Now I'm just selecting here a butterfly. I'm just selecting this butterfly. I want to delete the sprite, which is the cat. Now, in order to delete a sprite, what should we do? Right click on that, click on delete. What if you wanted to get a duplicate? Everybody's in mind, there is a question, right? What if I wanted to get another butterfly? Should I go to the new sprite and get it back? No, there is no need of going to the back and getting it. Okay. So just right click on the sprite, click on duplicate. So you will be getting these two butterflies. So like this, you can create butterflies like whatever you want. Okay. So this is how the butterflies. Okay. Now, in order to select one more sprite, you can go to the butterfly and select this. Okay. Click on the OK button there. Okay. Now this is the butterfly. If you wanted to add one more, you can select one more, click on the OK button. See how colorful it is, right? It is very, very colorful. Now let's start giving the commands. I'll tell you each and every command, like how well it is working. So let's get started into the scripts. If you wanted to create your own sprite, You can see on my mouse pointer that paint new sprite. Beside new sprite, you can see a paint symbol. Here you can create your own sprite. Okay, if you want a circle, you can draw a circle. If you want a rectangle, you can draw a rectangle. If you wanted to erase it, you can use with the eraser, or else you can use this undo and redo option also. I'm not going to create anything new now. In the further sessions, I'll be showing you how to delete and also how to clear, how to import an image from your PC, and also how to create your own sprites. I'll be showing all this. This is the very basic game I'm showing you. After that, we'll move forward to the advanced concept in this sprite. Okay, now to give the commands, go to the scripts. If you wanted to get different costumes, you can click on the costumes. For this butterfly, there is no costume. You can check on each and every butterfly. Is there any different kinds of costumes for that? When you click on these butterflies, see, for this butterfly, it is having two costumes. Now you can add different sounds. By defaultly, I'm having this sound. I'm just deleting that. Now let's come back to the scripts. So here you can see the events block. This events block are helpful for the sprite, whatever you are taking, it makes it to animate. Okay, it is like a signal. Whenever we click on this, it starts moving. Okay, without this also it's moving, but I'll show you how. See, I'm taking a green flag and I'm making it to move 10 steps. This I gave it only for this butterfly one. See here, either you can click on here, it is moving, or else you can click on here also, it is moving, right? See how it moving, it came back there. Now, or else, what if we don't give this? You can click on this move also, still it is working, right? But the thing is, it is like we should give a signal so that it gets started. Each and every time you cannot click on this move, right? So instead of that, you can use this green color flag. Now see here, this green color flag, it is used to make it move. Instead of the green color flag, I'll be showing you what if I use this when space keyboard is pressed. I'm just zooming it for myself. See here the commands. Yeah, when space key is pressed. So this will happen only whenever you are using the space key on your keyboard or else on your the commands. Okay, then only it will work. If you click on the green color flag, it won't work. This what I wanted to tell you in the event flow. Only whenever you click on the signal, then only it starts. Okay, if you click on move, then it will work. But when we attach move 10 with the space, you have to give the move space, then it starts working. Fine. Or else the third one is when this sprite is clicked. So now what is the speciality of this? So this means that it won't work whenever you click on the green flag, or it won't work whenever you click on the space key. The only thing what is happening here is you should click on this sprite, then only it starts working. See, hey, it's nice, right? So this is how nice it is. So these are the basic commands when we are working on this sprites. Okay, now initially I'm just selecting this green color flag. So now I just wanted to make it so, for suppose if you click on continuously, it goes on like that, right? Once if it is going beyond the screen, it may not come back. Now you may get a doubt, what should I do to get it back, right? For that, there is a command called if on edge bounds. Now click on the green flag, it will come back. But the thing what is happening here is it is coming back in a reverse position. So for that, what you want to do is set rotation style left to right. See, now the style is changed, right? Either you can put left to right or right to left, or else don't rotate or anything. Okay, so you can give according to your wish. Now to add a sound, for that, go to the sound block, select the sound option here. I'm going to the musical loops to get a good sound. Yeah, you can go to the sounds block, select, click on the sound symbol, select any of the sound, whatever you like. Okay, I'm just selecting this dance celebrate. You guys try it once. It was very nice sound. So now, or else I'll put it on the top. Whenever we click on the green flag only, it starts working. Fine. So now I want to repeat this continuously. For that, I'm just going to the control block. Okay, now see how we are working on here. It will repeat continuously. Now I am getting a lot of disturbance, so I'm just putting it on the top. Now I'm just placing it inside. Now see. It is very nice, right? So, but the butterfly is moving front, back, and all that. Now, if you wanted to get duplicate of all these commands, just give it for the first butterfly so that the commands get copied. Now give it for the second butterfly. The command for the second butterfly, yeah, it not got. Just duplicate and bring it over here. Now let's duplicate this. Don't put it anywhere on the screen. Just directly after duplicating, put it to the third one. Yeah, let's try it once again. Fine, let's duplicate for the fourth one. Yeah, we got for this. Now the fifth one is also there. Now the fourth one is not there. So let's add command for the fourth one. Yeah, finally we got for the fourth one also. So let's get started. It is very nice. The butterflies are roaming here and there, right? So now I just wanted to put this. So here I wanted to place it over here. I'm just changing the butterflies. Okay. Yeah. If you wanted to add a good background for this, you can add a good background also. Now click on the new backdrop option. Select any backdrop. I'm just selecting the flowers because why am I selecting? There should be a meaningful theme. Okay. Why I took these flowers because they'll go for the nectar, right? That is the reason I'm just selecting these flowers. So it would be very colorful and it's very shiny also. See here. Now click on the green color flag. So this is a basic tutorial regarding Scratch. Now I wanted to tell you one more thing, that if you are selecting the new backdrops, okay, you will get by default the first one and also the second one also. So if you want to delete the first one, you can delete it. By default, the second one will be here. Fine. So this is a very basic project of creating butterfly game. Okay. Now let's go to the second project. In this Scratch Junior and also Scratch 2.0 version. Now to create a new project, I'm just saving it. Fine, I don't want to save it. I'm just going to the new one. Just don't save. So now if you click on the new one, by defaultly you will be getting the sprite, right? So don't get confused whenever you are doing a project in Scratch 2.0 offline editor. So now by defaultly you will be having this sprite, right? So if you wanted to delete, what should you do? Right click on that and just click on the delete option. Now I'm going to create a hide and seek game for this cat flying. So now see here, the cat is flying. So I said one thing in the previous tutorial, that is when you wanted to check whether there are any costumes for the sprite which you took, just go to the costumes here and you will be having two different themes. You can change the themes according to your wish. Now let's come back to the scripts. I'm just selecting the green flag. So take the green flag. In this, I'm making it to move 10 steps. Now after that 10 steps, what should we do? I just wanted to make it hide. So you should have a basic idea where there are the blocks in this particular. Okay. So now in the control block, you will be having hide and also wait command. So now let's go to here, hide option. Initially it should hide. Next go to the control block, wait for 1 second. Next it has to show. See here how it is working. It will hide, it will show for 1 minute. It will hide and it will show for 1 minute. Okay. So now this is how it is working. This is just a basic game, hide and seek. Now I just wanted to add one more thing is, it is hiding, right? After hide also wait for 1 minute, not for 1 minute, 1 second. So now after that, I just wanted to change the costume of this cat flying. So I just wanted to change, presently it is in B, right? I just wanted to change it to A. So for that, you have to use a command, switch costume to cat1 flying A. If you wanted to cross check it, come to the costumes and check it. Flying A have selected, right? Now, after that, showing, it has to, so after show, it will change automatically the cat1 flying. So see here how it is working. See, it is changing its, right? So again that, what should happen? It should wait for 1 more second. Now after 1 second, it again has to hide. Now this has to repeat. I just wanted to repeat this only for 2 times or 3 times. See how it will work. So this process will be repeated only for 3 times. So now we don't get anything, right? So according to the situation, you just add the commands. Now see here, it will come back. Yeah, it came, right? If you wanted to add a good background, now go to the stage backdrop is there, no? So that below to that, there is an option new backdrop. Click on that. I'm selecting the blue sky. Click on OK. Now, as I said, by defaultly, you will be having these backdrops. Now just delete the backdrop. You will be having the sprite. Okay. So now I wanted to tell you one more thing that firstly, only you have to add the backdrops. So see here, if you click on the backdrops are there, right? So now if you adding this, the cat has gone. Okay, so that is the reason we have to be aware of this. Okay, if you wanted to get your sprite back, just see here, I'm just deleting all this. Just use the command when green flag is clicked. You should know all these also, because whenever you're working on a project, sometimes you may miss the sprite. This will definitely happen. So don't get scared. Just click on the green flag, go to the move 10 steps and give some 500. Click on if on edge bounds. So see here. So let's see, it is in X minus 198 and also 90 degrees. So let's see where it is. Yeah, it is just beyond the screen. Okay, so now for that, let's add the sprites from first. Okay. Yeah, so this is just our background. Now, firstly, only we should add the background. Next, we should select it. Okay. So now this is a cat. Click on the green flag. Click on move 10 steps. Come to the looks block. Make it hide. Go to the control block. Wait for 1 second. Next, it has to show. Okay. Yeah. Now, if you wanted to change the color of this, change the color of that after hiding. Next, it shows. While showing, it will change the color. Yeah. So now it happens like that. Whenever you click on that, it will work for multiple times. Okay. This is just a hide and seek for a basic tutorial. Now 2 tutorials are completed. Now I wanted to go for a new project. I'm not saving these all projects. Okay. Now by defaultly this will be there. To delete that, right click on that. Now select a new backdrop. I just wanted to select this spotlight stage to create a dancing project. Now see, as I said, by default you'll be having this white one, right? So just delete that. If you wanted to add one more, just click on this and select one more backdrop, which is spotlight stage 2. Okay. So for the sprites, whatever we are taking, we'll just change the sprites from one to another. Okay. Yeah. So now we'll select the sprites to click on new sprite. I'm just going for the people. so that we can select the girls and all that. I'm just selecting this Cassie dance. Click on OK. Now, so everyone, what I said in the previous, that click on the backdrops and click on the backdrops. So add for this. So the girl will be here. Now I just want this girl to be on the first stage. Okay. So now let's give the scripts. If you click on the backdrops, you don't get any scripts. Okay. Only if you click on the sprite, then only you will get the comments. I'm just repeating it once again. If you click on the backdrops, you don't get any comments. See here, it is completely empty. Now, if you click on this sprites, then only you will be getting the comments. Now see here, I just wanted to make the girls to animate. Before that, I wanted to check how many costumes are there for the girl. So now click on the costumes. Hey, here are 4 different costumes, right? We can use all these commands. Yeah, let's work on this. Take the green flag, which is there in the events block. So where the green flag is there, it is there in the events block. Okay. Yeah. So now what is the thing? Again, I wanted to make it to move 10 steps. Okay. Now I just wanted to make the girl to move 10 steps or else 30 steps forward. And after certain command, wait command, I just wanted to come back. So now I'm giving it in a negative values, that is minus 30. So she'll move forward and backward. See, she's moving forward and backward, right? And within the loop, I just wanted to repeat this. So control. Okay. Yeah. So she has to move front and back. And also I wanted to change the girls switch backdrop to spotlight stage 2. And after that, I just wanted to change the color. Now, again, I just wanted to change the girl's costume also. So here there are multiple costumes. You can use multiple costumes. Switch costume to this one. Next, wait for 1 second. Now, again, you just duplicate this for 4 or 5. Yeah. So I'm just duplicating these also. So here, see, instead of D, I'm just selecting A. I'm again duplicating that and I'm again adding over here. C here. Instead of A, again, I'm taking C. You can put randomly. Okay. Yeah. So now let's duplicate it one more time. What is missing? A is there, C is there, B is missing. So let's add B. Now you can get it back all these wait commands. Now see how it is working. After the last step, B step, it will again has to go to the next previous backdrop. For that, what should we do? Let's stop this game. Let's come to the looks block, switch backdrop to spotlight stage. What is the previous stage backdrops? Check it over here. Click on the backdrops, spotlight stage and spotlight stage 2. So come to the scripts for this dancing. Spotlight stage is there, no? You should click on that. Now see here. After all these steps, it will go to the previous one after once it is completing, right? Yes. If you wanted to shift well once again, you can use like this also. Now I wanted to tell you one more thing. If you add sound, it would be very, very nice, right? So sound is missing. Let's go to the sound block. So click on this, add sound. Let's go to the musical loops. Dance magic, I'm just selecting. Click on the OK. Now come to the scripts and dance magic at the beginning only. Okay, not beginning. Yes. Now, if we add this switch backdrop in the middle, it would be very nice because it looks a bit dull, right? So now switch backdrop to spotlight stage 2. I'm just adding over here. Okay, I'm just adding once again here also. I'm adding here also. So instead of stage 2, I'm just taking stage. Okay, like that it would be. So once the previous one and the again next one. Spotlight. See, firstly what we did, it will have a command like spotlight stage 2. Next again spotlight stage Next again, spotlight stage 2. Next again, spotlight stage. Now see how it is working. Hey guys, have you observed that each and every time I'm just changing the costumes, that one is the first background and the next one is the second background. So till now we discussed all these projects. I hope every guy understood this tutorial. If at all you want any kind of games, please let me know in my comment section, and I hope this tutorial will definitely made you to learn something. Okay, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so thank you everyone for visiting my channel. So please do like, share and subscribe for more updates. Thank you all.